Let's start. Welcome all of you. Let's start our class. We were studying the wildlife. Okay. Let's come on the book. We were studying wildlife. Okay. So what is wildlife? How will you define the wildlife? How many of you will say? Raise your hands. Wildlife. Raise your hands. Raise your hands. Okay. Ritika. Ritika, unmute yourselves. Ritika, unmute yourselves. Ritika, unmute yourselves.
Yes, sir.
Tell me, what do you understand by wildlife?
Wildlife include all those plants and animals that live and grow in their natural surroundings.
Okay. Thank you. Mute yourself. And let's Srishti Raj. Srishti Raj, you are already unmuted. You tell me, Srishti Raj. Srishti Raj. Srishti Raj. Srishti Raj. Okay. So let's have the answer. Okay, what are wildlife? The definition of wildlife, it is, okay. Definition of wildlife, I hope you can see, it is combination of plant and animal which grow together, live together, in natural environment. I hope it is clear to you. So this is the definition of the wildlife. Now we have the next question. Yesterday we were doing what are extinct animal. Okay. What are extinct animal? I will ask with somebody. Wait. Anurag Sharma. Anurag Sharma, unmute yourself. Anurag Sharma.
Yes, sir.
Switch on your video. Yes, tell me, what is extinct animals? Anurag Sharma.
Yes, sir.
Tell me, what are extinct animals? Tell me, what are extinct animals? Do you know the meaning of extinct? कल बताए थे. What is meaning of extinct?
Sir, नहीं आ रहा.
नहीं आ रहा है. So mute yourself. Mute yourself. Mute yourself. And next, anybody? Arav Kumar, unmute yourself. Arav Kumar, unmute yourself.
Yes, sir.
What do you understand by extinct animal?
Extinct animal.
Yesterday I have taught you
Yes, sir.
meaning of extinct and Hindi.
क्या हिंदी में
हाँ बताओ.
स्टिक्ट एनिमल ना.
हाँ हाँ बोलो.
सर जो लुप्त हो गए हैं।
जो लुप्त हो गए हैं। अच्छा, चलो ठीक है तुम्हारे। चलो म्यूट करो अपने आप को, यू म्यूट योरसेल्फ। देन पीयूष परमार, पीयूष परमार, रेज योर हैंड। कहाँ चला गया पीयूष परमार? अनम्यूट योरसेल्फ।
Hi sir.
पीयूष
Hello.
परमार, अनम्यूट योरसेल्फ। पीयूष परमार, can you hear me? Yuvraj Singh, unmute yourself. Yuvraj Singh 5C, unmute yourself, Yuvraj, and start your video also. Start your video also, Yuvraj Singh 5C. Yuvraj Singh, all of you keep your videos switch on. युवराज सिंह, स्टार्ट योर वीडियोस। देखो अभी युवराज जो है इज नॉट रेस्पॉन्डिंग। व्हाई इज नॉट रेस्पॉन्डिंग? बिकॉज वो ज्वाइन करके इधर उधर चला गया होगा। युवराज सिंह, स्टार्ट योर वीडियो। चलो, आई एम आस्किंग युवराज, अनम्यूट योरसेल्फ। Next, Shyamli, you tell me. Unmute yourself. Shyamli, unmute yourself. Shyamli Kumari, unmute yourself. Manvi, Rudra Jaiswal, Rudra Jaiswal, Srishti Raj, anybody? Sonali, you tell me.
Yes, sir.
Tell me.
Yes, sir.
What are extinct animals? Tell me.
सर जो
You tell me, Sonali. Sonali, you tell me. I have unmuted you, Sonali. Sonali, tell me.
those animal species which are no longer living.
No longer. Once again. Once again. Once again you speak.
Those animal species which are no longer living is
No
called
longer on
extinct.
the earth. Okay. Smriti Komal.
Yes, sir.
Tell me.
Animal species which are no longer living in earth is called extinct animals.
Okay. Aditi Sinha.
हम सर एग्जाम्पल सर दे सकते हैं?
No, जो बोले जो हम पूछे उतना ही बोलो। Now Aditi Sinha, you tell me.
Yes, sir.
Tell me.
Sir,
Extinct animal. I have asked with Aditi Sinha. Is your name Aditi Sinha? Aditi Sinha, unmute yourself.
yes, sir.
Tell me.
Sir, extinct animal not living in earth.
Not living in earth. Okay, means they are not seen. Okay, now let's come to the conclusion. I have worked with many of you, and finally, Rangila. Rangila will conclude it. Rangila and Bharti. Okay, Rangila and Bharti. You conclude it, Rangila and Bharti.
Are those animal species which no are no longer living, like passenger pigeon and seal etc. are extant animal.
Okay, Rangila. Rangila. Rangila, you tell me. Rangila, can you hear me? Rangila, can you hear me? No. Okay. I've muted all of you. Now come to the conclusion that I gave you here. Extinct animal. The animal or a species of animal who are no longer on the earth, who are now no longer on earth. They are called extinct animal. Okay. Now can you tell? Now tell me the examples. Tell me the examples.
Sir, dodo.
Dodo.
Sir, quagga.
Passenger.
Examples.
Tiger.
Sir, tiger.
Sir, passenger.
Sir, golden toad. Sir, golden toad. Passenger pigeon.
Golden toad.
Sir, quagga. Sir, golden toad. Sir, Tasmanian tiger.
Sir, bald eagle.
Sir,
Sir, bald eagle.
Okay.
Sir, golden toad.
I have written.
Sir, golden lion. Lion ten. Giraffe.
Okay.
Sir, Tasmanian tiger.
Monitor lizard.
Sir, Tasmanian tiger.
Okay. Next. What are endangered species? What are endangered species? Next it is what are endangered species? Those who wishes to say, they can raise their hand. I will ask with everybody. Wait. Even if you are raising your hand, switch on your camera so that I could see what you are doing. Okay, keep your cameras in switch on. Khushi, this is new. I'm seeing it for the first time. Khushi Kumari 5A, roll number 16. Raise your hands. Khushi Kumari. Okay, unmute yourself, Khushi.
Yes, sir.
What are endangered species? I am seeing you first time in my class.
No, sir. I joined daily classes.
But never you have, I have never seen you. Okay, you tell me what are endangered species?
Endangered animals are those animal species that are in danger of becoming extinct.
Okay, thank you. You mute yourself. Manvi, unmute yourself. Manvi, unmute yourself.
Yes, sir.
So, have you heard the word endangered species?
Endangered animal are those animal species that are danger of become extinct.
Okay, thank you. Good. And Ronak saying unmute yourself. Ronak saying. Ronak saying unmute yourself. Priyanshu, Preet Priya, unmute yourself. Preet Priya. Sujal Saurabh, you unmute yourself. Tell me what is endangered species, Sujal Saurabh.
Yes, sir.
Tell me what are endangered species.
Yes, sir.
Tell me what are endangered species. Asu Kumar, you unmute yourself.
Endangered animal are those species in danger becoming of extinct.
Yes, okay. Asu
सर
Kumar.
क्वेश्चन क्या बोले?
सर बोले
Asu Kumar, wait. Let me deal with Asu Kumar. Asu Kumar, अभी तुम
सर
क्या कर
क्वेश्चन
रहे थे?
क्या बोले?
endangered
अबे चुप रहो. Nobody will. No. Be quiet.
बोल सकते.
Don't try to be over smart. Asu Kumar,
Sir,
come on the.
endangered are those.
Asu Kumar, come on the screen.
yes sir आगे endangered animal
Wait.
are those animal species that are in danger of becoming extinct.
What you were doing just now? You were playing. बात कर रहे थे, हंस रहे थे इधर उधर. हाँ? ऐसा नहीं है. ऐसा नहीं है. नहीं.
no sir
रिकॉर्डिंग देखते नहीं हो. हाँ या ना जो तुम बोल रहे हो. अभी तुम इधर उधर हंस रहे थे. चलो ठीक है.
सर हंस नहीं रहे थे सर.
Okay. Now endangered species. Answer. The animal or a species of animal who are numerous or countable, who are less in number, and are on verge of becoming extinct. Such type of animal are called endangered species. Okay, such type of animals are called endangered species. Now, tell me the example of endangered species.
Sir, African tiger, American tiger, Blood eagle, sir, Blood eagle, golden lion, sir, panda, American elephant, Bald eagle, golden lion, and panda.
Barbarian camel.
Lion and tiger.
African elephant.
Golden lion.
Sebastian camel.
Bacterian camel.
Golden lion or bald eagle.
Yes, sir.
Next.
The golden lion and bald eagle.
Okay. Next. What are wildlife trade? What are wildlife trades? Who will say? So wildlife trade कल बताए हैं, बताओ. What are wildlife trade? Yes, Swati, unmute yourself. Swati Kumari 5 है. Swati Kumari 5 है, unmute yourselves.
There are animals which are being killed because their body parts are used by humans. This is known as wildlife trade.
Wildlife trade. Okay. You have told killed. Sachi, unmute yourself. Tell me. Sachi. Sachi. Unmute yourself. Sachi, unmute yourself.
सर अनम्यूट हो जाते हैं तो अनम्यूट होकर म्यूट हो जाते हैं हम.
हाँ बोलो.
Wildlife trade refers to the commerce of products that derive for non-domestic animals or plants usually extract from their natural environment.
Once again you say.
Wildlife trade refers to commerce of products that are derived from non-domesticated animals or plants usually extract from their natural environment.
Yes, it is correct. Rohan Prajapati. Rohan Prajapati. Rohan Prajapati. Unmute yourself. Rohan Prajapati, unmute yourself.
Yes, sir.
Tell me.
There are
Tell me.
animals.
Neha. Unmute yourself. Neha Kumari 5B.
Sir, wildlife include all those plants are animals that living and grow in their natural surrounding.
It is my question is about wildlife trade. You are defining wildlife. Aryan Kumar.
Yes, sir.
Tell me.
There are animals which are being killed because their body parts are used by humans. This is known as wildlife trade.
Okay, let's conclude it. Let's conclude. See here. Wildlife trade refers to commercial activities, killing of animals. या फिर we can write commercial activity with the body parts of wild animal is called wildlife trade. You can also write like this, or you can also write other question like this. Killing of wild animal with motive to killing of wild animal to earn profit by selling body part. Okay, I hope this will be. Next question is how wildlife trade is harmful. How wildlife trade is harmful. So tomorrow you will do this question by your own self, and listen me. I have not got any homework. Few homeworks only I have got. Okay, I have got only few homeworks. Please solve your homework and give it to me. Okay. As soon you will give me, immediately I will check it and I will give you back. Okay, I will give you back. You solve in your fair copy only. So today's homework. Homework 2020. How wildlife trade is causing harm to wild animal. How it can be removed. How it can be stopped. How it can be stopped. This is the question. Okay, everybody take down this question. Okay, take down this question and you will write it and you will send it at my WhatsApp. As soon you will send it, I will check it and send you back. Okay. Many students have not submitted their homework yesterday. Neha, what are you doing? You are laughing. What are you doing, Neha? Neha, what are you doing? Unmute yourself, Neha. 5B. नेहा क्या कर रही हो बताओ? What are you doing? What are you doing, Neha?
Yes, sir.
What are you doing? What are you doing, Neha? Tell me. पढ़ रही हो या हंसी मजाक कर रही हो? You're not serious. Mute yourself. Be serious. Mute yourself. Next. So this question you will do it. Okay. I am leaving this question for you. Okay. I'm leaving this question for you. It will be done by you all. Why these animals are hunted? Why these animals are hunted? Okay. Now this also you will do it by yourself. Why these animals are hunted? This is also another question. This is also the another question in your homework. Second question, why these animals are hunted? Okay. Why these animals are hunted? Why these animals are hunted? Name of the animal is elephant. Elephant. Okay. Now, why these animals are hunted? Okay. So you have to do it. One is elephant. Okay. Second is South American bear, rhinoceros, RHI rhinoceros. Elephant, musk deer, tiger, leg of frogs. Okay. Okay. And बता दिए उसका. Then one more. Okay, these two questions you will be doing in your homework and you will be sending me back. Now tomorrow then I will be teaching you about the food chains. Okay. So tomorrow we will be coming on the chapter that is food chain. Okay. Tomorrow we will be coming on the next topic that is protection of wildlife and food chain. Okay. Tomorrow we will be coming on this. Okay. Any problem to anybody? Any problem to anybody?
सर फिर से दिखाइए ना सर होमवर्क फिर से दिखाइए ना
सर एक बार फिर से स्क्रीन
इसका मतलब क्या है?
यस सर
सर हो गया सर
सर हो गया
सर हो गया
यस सर हो गया
सर हो गया यस सर हो गया
यस सर कंप्लीटेड
स्पीच का रिजल्ट
यस सर
सर स्पीच का रिजल्ट
यस सर
I will
स्पीच का
tomorrow.
रिजल्ट
Today you will see it or I will upload it today. Okay.
खरगोश
यस सर
चलो ठीक है. Thank you. You will.